Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and if you're new to my channel, I started up a project a couple of days ago. It's called Project Buden Gajin, and that means keep improving, keep changing in Chinese. And part of this project is I like to read books, and so I thought I would share some books that I've read and some books that I thought I would read and books I'm currently reading during this project. So, to start off, I got Rich Dad Poor Dad. I do not have the physical copy. I got it from the library. It was a fantastic book. It's by Robert Kiyosaki, and it's a personal finance book that emphasizes the importance of financial education. It teaches you how to make money work for you, and it challenges traditional beliefs about money. Next, I have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I do the physical copy, but this is the revised and updated version for the 21st century. But it is a classic self-help book that teaches how to attain wealth and success through positive thinking, persistence, and focused desire. It offers practical techniques and inspiring examples of successful people who achieve their dreams using these same principles. Next is a really good book I picked up a while ago. Just lost the bookmark in it, that's funny. It is Atomic Habits by James Clear. This was a phenomenal book. I really liked it, and it helped me kind of map out this and how to get started doing all these habits that I'm gonna start doing during Project Buden Gajin. And so Atomic Habits, it provides a practical and proven framework for creating good habits and getting rid of all bad ones. Drawing on scientific research and real-life examples, it shows how tiny changes in behavior can result in the formation of new habits and help you achieve big things. One of the main principles you'll hear a lot about is getting 1% better every day, and also continuous change, which helps a lot. Next book I thought I'd show you is The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco, and I have not read this book yet, but I do plan to, and it is a guidebook for building long-lasting wealth. It emphasizes the importance of entrepreneurship and provides actionable advice for starting and growing a successful business. Next up, we have a massive book. It is $100 Million Leads by Alex Hormozi. And I read this book also. It is a phenomenal book. Alex Hormozi, he talks about that, dives deep into effective lead generation strategies, which is super helpful, making it a valuable read for anyone in the business world. Here's why this book is worth your time. It offers practical tips and techniques that can help you generate high quality leads, and it can also boost your sales. Next up is $100 Million Offers, which is his first book, also by Alex Hormozi, and I actually bought this on Kindle, so I don't have it. I'll put up something right there. But yeah, it's a guide to creating grand slam offers, big ticket products or services that sell themselves. By breaking down the psychology of pricing and perceived value, Alex Hormozi teaches readers how to differentiate and optimize their offer until it's irresistible. The next book I thought I'd bring up is Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss with Tal Raz. I might be saying that wrong, sort of I am, but yeah, there's another great book. Voss's unique approach emphasizes the power of empathy, viewing it as a critical tool for negotiation. In his perspective, empathy transcends simply understanding the other party's emotions. It includes recognizing their worldview, their fears, and their aspirations. Now, next, this is a book. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this book, and I'm really excited to read it. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Now, Psychology of Money is a collection of short stories exploring the strange ways people think about money. The author presents related biases, flaws, behaviors, and attitudes that affect one's financial outcomes, and shows how one's psychology can work for and also against them. The next book, I ordered it and it's on the way. It's supposed to be here today, but it's not quite here yet. So I'll just put up a picture or something right there, or maybe on this side, not sure. But it is Surrounded by Idiots by Thomas Erickson, and it is a guide to understanding the 4 major personality types and learning how to communicate effectively with them. It provides practical insights and real-life examples to help improve relationships and reduce misunderstandings. The next book, this is a really good book. My aunt read it and she recommended it to me, and I've also seen a lot about it, is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F by Mark Manson. It's a self-help book that advocates for accepting and embracing negative experiences, focusing on what truly matters, and taking responsibility for our lives. The next book, and this is one I am currently reading, is Deep Work by Cal Newport. So far, I really like that book. I'm planning to read a bit more into it, and then I'll make another video about it specifically. But Deep Work is all about how the rise of technology is wrecked our ability to concentrate deeply on tasks, and how to overcome this blockade. These blinks illustrate different strategies that can help you improve the output of your work and get the most out of your free time. It is really good so far. I'm really enjoying it. And so the next book I got is The 48 Laws of Power. Unfortunately, I did buy the wrong one. This is the concise edition, but I will probably just return this and then get the big version. It's a lot bigger. It is probably, I want to say, maybe around 500 pages, maybe even more, but it is a very good book, and my cousin read it and he said that it was phenomenal, so I expect really good things from this book. And moving on to the last book. This is a book I'm currently reading. I also bought it on Kindle, so I'll put something up on one of those sides. Discipline is Destiny, and it will guide readers down the path to self-mastery, upon which all the other virtues depend. Discipline is predictive. You cannot succeed without it, and if you lose it, you cannot help but bring yourself failure and unhappiness. I had to move in my room because it's getting a little loud upstairs, but that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I will get some book reviews coming your way real quick.